Dear students, Namaste. You have read first chapter. First chapter is complete, and now you have to study second chapter. Second chapter is acid, bases, and salt. Acids, bases, and salts. Now you have to study. What are acids, bases, and salt? You have read. There are three types of elements that you have read: metal, non-metal, and metalloid. Just like there are three types of compounds: acids, bases, and salts. Now, what is an acid? The compound which has a replaceable hydrogen ion H plus. The compound which has a replaceable hydrogen ion is known as an acid. How can you say that it has H plus ion? To see the formula. For example, sulfuric acid. Its formula is H2SO4. It dissociates as H plus, a plus SO4 minus minus, and hence it has replaceable hydrogen ion. Nitric acid, its formula is HNO3. Hydrochloric acid, it has also a replaceable hydrogen ion, that is H plus. Just like acetic acid, CH3COOH, it has also replaceable hydrogen ion. Formic acid, HCOOH, it has also replaceable hydrogen ion. H2C2O4, it is oxalic acid. It has also replaceable hydrogen ion. So, if in the formula hydrogen is seen in the beginning, it means that is replaceable hydrogen ion. In CH3, hydrogen is at the end, that is replaceable, and hence hydrogen will be either beginning of the formula or at the end, that will be present as COOH. And base. What is a base? The compound which has a replaceable hydroxide ion in place of hydrogen ion. Here it has replaceable hydroxide ion, is known as base. It is clear? The compound which has a replaceable hydroxide ion is known as a base. For example, sodium hydroxide. Its formula is NaOH. OH acquires negative charge and sodium acquires positive charge. So it has replaceable hydroxide ion. Potassium hydroxide, KOH. It has also replaceable hydroxide ion. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole 2. It has also replaceable hydroxide ion. Barium hydroxide, BaOH whole 2. It has also replaceable hydroxide ion. Ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Just like lead hydroxide, there are two types of lead hydroxide. One is called plumbous hydroxide, other is called plumbic hydroxide. Generally, plumbous hydroxide is used, that is PbOH whole 2, and other is plumbic hydroxide, that is PbOH whole 4. But generally, plumbous hydroxide is used. and then you have to. Now salt. Third type of compound is salt. What is salt? Is the compound which has or which is made up of the compound which is made up of an acid and a base is called salt. For example, sodium chloride. Its formula is NaCl. It is made up of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid that can be written as or shown as NaOH plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus H2O. So it is water. Means two compounds are formed. If a base and acid reacts, then two compounds are formed. One is salt and other is water. Always other will be water. Such type of reaction is also called neutralization reaction that you have read. Other examples are potassium chloride, KCl. It is made up of potassium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Sodium bromide, NaBr. It is made up of sodium hydroxide and hydrobromic acid, HBr. Other is sodium iodide, NaI. It is made up of sodium hydroxide and hydroiodic acid, that is Hi. Now sodium sulfate. You have read the formula Na2SO4. It is made up of sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid, H2SO4, means OH of sodium hydroxide and hydrogen of sulfuric acid combined together and form water. So one product is salt, other product is water. Zinc chloride, ZnCl2. ZnCl2. It is made up of zinc hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Sodium acetate, CH3COO-Na. It is made up of acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. All the reactions you have read in neutralization reaction. So you have to see the examples of neutralization reaction. Perhaps all types of reactions are written in that topic. Now, classification of acids. How are acids classified? Acids are classified generally on the basis of several ways, in which first is on the basis of sources. Means acids are classified on the basis of different ways, in which one is on the basis of sources. On the basis of sources, there are two types of acids. First is mineral acid. You have read perhaps mineral acid. What is mineral acid? It is an acid which is made up of minerals. Minerals means you can write here ores. Also means only those minerals are called ores from which an element can be separated easily or profitably. For example, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. It is made up of sulfur. Sulfur is extracted from an ore of sulfur, that is zinc sulfide, potassium sulfide, etc. Other examples are nitric acid HNO3. It is made up of nitrogen and oxygen. Hydrochloric acid HCl, carbonic acid H2CO3, hydrobromic acid HBr, phosphoric acid H3PO4, etc. Now, next is organic acid. First is mineral acid and second is organic acid. It is an acid. It is an acid. Yeah, it is the acid which is extracted or separated from plants, animals, or insects. Means sources as natural substances. For example, acetic acid CH3COOH, formic acid HCOOH, oxalic acid H2SO4, oxalic acid H2C2O4. H2SO4 is mineral acid, not organic acid. Citric acid, tartaric acid, formula is complicated, so you have to read it in the chapter of carbon and its compound. And generally organic acid is made up of carbon and hydrogen, while mineral acid does not consist carbon except carbonic acid H2CO3. It is the compound of carbon hydrogen, but it is considered or read as mineral acid, not organic acid. It is the exception because its source is mineral. Now next classification is on the basis of basicity. On the basis of basicity, acids are classified into three parts. Means there are three types of acids on the basis of basicity. They are monobasic acid or monoprotic acid, dibasic acid or diprotic acid, tribasic acid or triprotic acid. At first, monobasic acid or monoprotic acid. What is it? It is an acid which can produce only one hydrogen ion. The acid which can produce only one hydrogen ion is called monobasic acid or monoprotic acid. It means it has only one replaceable hydrogen ion. For example, HCl. It has only one replaceable hydrogen ion. Hydrobromic acid, it has only one replaceable hydrogen ion. Hydroiodic acid, it has only one replaceable hydrogen ion. Formic acid, it has only one replaceable hydrogen ion. This hydrogen is replaceable and this hydrogen is not replaceable. Acetic acid, CH3COOH, etc. It has several hydrogen, but this hydrogen is replaceable, not this hydrogen. Now, dibasic acid or diprotic acid. Now, what is diprotic acid or dibasic acid? It is the acid. It is the acid which can produce two hydrogen ion. Means it produces two hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. For example, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. It produces two hydrogen. Oxalic acid. See the example again. Sulfuric acid, sulphuric, sulfuric acid. Its formula is H2SO4. So it has two replaceable hydrogen ion. Oxalic acid, H2C2O4. It has also two replaceable hydrogen ion. Phosphorus acid, H3PO3. Number of hydrogen is 3, but it has only two replaceable hydrogen ion. Third hydrogen is not replaceable. So it is also dibasic acid or diprotic acid, while it should be triprotic. To see the hydrogen, you can say it should be triprotic, but it is not triprotic. Other is sulfurous acid, H2SO3. It is also dibasic acid. It has also two replaceable hydrogen ion. It dissociates as 2H plus SO3 minus in aqueous solution. Now, tribasic acid or triprotic acid, tribasic acid or triprotic acid. It is the acid which can produce 3 hydrogen ions. It is the acid which can produce 3 hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. For example, phosphoric acid. It is also known as orthophosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. It has also 3 hydrogen, and all the hydrogen dissociates when it is dissolved in water. It dissociates as 3H plus PO4 minus. So it has 3 replaceable hydrogen ion. Now, the classification of acid on the basis of strength. It is the third classification on the basis of strength. There are 2 types of acids on the basis of strength. One is a strong acid. What is a strong acid? It is the acid which dissociates completely into its ions in aqueous solution. For example, HCl. If it is dissolved in water, it dissociates completely as H plus and Cl minus. HBr. It dissociates as H plus Br minus completely. HI. H plus I minus. H2SO4. It is also a strong acid. HNO3. It is also a strong acid. Both dissociate completely into their ions. Other is HClO3, HClO4. It is the strongest acid among all types of acids given here. HClO3, it is called chloric acid. HClO4, it is called perchloric acid. And perchloric acid is the strongest acid among these acids. Now, other is weak acid. What is weak acid? It is an acid which dissociates partially into its ions in aqueous solution. You have read, only in aqueous solution the compound acid, base or salt dissociates either partially or completely. For example, acetic acid, formula is CH3COOH. You have seen above. It produces H plus ion and it dissociates partially. Formic acid, HCOOH. Oxalic acid H2C2O4. It produces 2 hydrogen ion, but it dissociates partially. Tartaric acid, phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, etc. Formula is H3PO4. It is mineral acid but weak acid. Carbonic acid H2CO3. It is very weak acid. Such type of acid forms in soda water. But when bottle is opened, then what happens? It dissociates as H2O and CO2. It is very weak acid. Now, classification of bases, it will be explained in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Read it carefully and remember, so that whenever it is asked, you can give the answer easily. Have a nice day. Thank you.